All right, here we go. Quadratic formula. Do you guys, hey, from ninth grade, does this ring a bell?
Yep.
I hope so. Here's the deal.
No.
It's right here.
From what grade?
10th.
Okay, now stop talking.
9.
Ninth grade, you were introduced to this. You probably used it in geometry, 10th grade. Now in 11th grade, we're doing it again. It's called the quadratic formula. It's right here. Okay. Now the formula is there for you to just put numbers in and pump the answers out. That's really how easy it is. But here's the deal. It says here to use this formula, your equation must be in standard form. Everything on one side, 0 on the other side. Okay? Is this equation right here, is this ready to go?
No.
No, I don't have 0. So what's my first step?
Put
The moral of the thing.
Okay, put 4 over here. So you get your 0 here. X squared plus 4x what?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. Okay, so there's your equation in standard form. Now we're going to try to get the answers out of this using the formula. Okay, but to use it, you need to know A, B, and C. So A is what?
8.
A is 1. It's right here. Right there. It's the number in front of x squared. 1. B is the number in front of x.
4.
C is the number in front of what? No, sorry. C is the number.
4.
There it is. So now you know your ABCs, put them in the formula, and the answer will come out as soon as you work it out. Remember, X is your answer, so here it comes. Instead of saying negative B, I say the opposite of B. So what is the opposite of B? Negative 4 plus or minus square root of B squared. Well, when you do B squared, you make sure you use your parentheses. And then you put B in there, which is 4 minus 4, AC. 4 times 1 times 4. All of it over 2 times A. A is 1. So here's me just putting numbers in the correct spot. Now it's time to number crunch this thing. Okay? I don't think you're going to get the first number wrong because it's just negative 4. I don't think you'll get the bottom number wrong. What is it that you might go wrong with? The number inside. The number inside might get you. Okay, so be careful here, guys. Okay, what does this mean here? 4 squared is 16. What's a negative times a positive times a positive? Just tell me sign. No. It's negative. All I wanted to know is it negative or positive? One negative sign, it's going to be negative. 4 times 1 times 4, 16. I'm getting 0 in there. And you know what? 0 is a really nice number because what's the square root of 0?
0.
0. Okay, so here I go. It's negative 4 plus or minus 0, because that's what the square root of 0 is, over 2. And usually, guys, you split off into 2 answers. But it really is there 2 answers? No, not when the number inside here is 0. It's going to be negative 4 plus 0 over 2, which is negative 2. The other answer is negative 4 what?
Minus 0.
Over 2, which is still what?
-2.
So there's only one answer to this quadratic equation. Yeah. Now,
You square it.
did I square it? What are you talking about?
You square it up.
Yeah, I squared the 4 right here. 4 squared is 16. Negative times...
Square it up, automatically comes out.
Well, hey, Nick, what you want to do is take care of the inside problem. Like, ignore this symbol. Ignore this until you get one number in here. The one number is 0. And then once you get to 0, then you just take the square root of this number, which is a simple number right now. Okay? Any questions? Oh, I got one for you. Can I check it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I can go back and check this easy. What's negative 2 times negative 2? 4. What's 4 times negative 2? Negative 8. Will that equal this side, negative 4? Sure it will. Negative 4 equals negative 4. It works. So I can check these answers. I don't always take up your time in class to do that, but you can. Okay. Can I move down or what? Are you ready? Okay, guys, the more you practice, the better you get, okay? All right. Next up, 2b. Right here. This is written kind of funny for some reason. 5x squared minus 2x equals 2. First step, what?
Get the 2.
Yeah, get 0 on one side and everything else on the other. So 5x squared minus 2x minus 2 equals 0. What's your A value?
5.
5b.
Negative 2.
C.
Negative 2.
Okay. Okay, let me give you about a minute head start. Put the numbers into the formula, see what you can do. I will tell you, if you mess up just once, you put a 5 in for the wrong letter, or a negative 2 in for the wrong letter, you're going to mess up the whole problem. I never worry about the first number, I never worry about the bottom number, I always worry about what's inside the radical. So let's take this slow, here we go. What is negative 2 squared?
4.
4. What's a negative? Times a positive, times a negative. 2 negatives.
Positive.
It's 4 plus. And see, this is why students get this wrong. They get it wrong because they get the sign wrong. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 2 is
40.
40. What's inside is what?
44.
44. Did you get 44?
Yep. Yeah.
That's the hardest number to get out of the whole thing. Okay. Are you smiling because this is perfect, or are you thinking, it's not perfect?
It's not perfect.
Okay, so if it's not perfect, we're going to do something. We're going to use our perfect squares to rewrite this and simplify it. So what perfect squares? 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. What goes in? What goes into this? There. What goes into 44?
4.
Yeah, this one does. 9 doesn't. No, no, no. 49 is way too big, so it's just 4. So how can I rewrite this? 4 times 11. Okay. And the reason you did it is because you know the square root of 4, it's what?
2.
2. So here I go over here. So it becomes x equals 2 plus or minus
2 square root of 11.
2 square root of 11, right? Over 10. Now it looks like you're done. Except, look at your fractions. It says 2 tenths plus or minus 2 tenths. You're going to reduce it, right?
Yeah.
1/5. So what's the answer? X equals 1/5 plus or minus 1/5 square root of 11. Do I really, really need that second one?
No.
No, you don't need it. If you like it there, leave it there. But otherwise, no, you don't need it. So your solutions for number 2B, I went 2B, 2A. 2A is right here. Whoa, sorry. There's the answer, right?
Isn't there
X.
supposed to be two answers though?
Yeah, there is two answers.
Yeah,
1 plus the square root of 11 over 5.
yeah.
1 minus the square root of 11 over 5.
Oh,
There's
Oh,
two.
but you can just write plus or minus, you
I
don't have to
can-
write two
yeah.
separate.
Now,
Okay.
if you remember, I mean, the other day, Friday, I did this with you. This is what we did on Friday when we completed the square. Our answers look like that. Today, our answers are going to look like this. Are they the same thing? Yeah, it is the same thing. So, Elsa, your question, are there two answers? Yes. Plus or minus tells me there's two. Are you okay? Do you want to do another one, or should we go to the story problem?
Sorry, bro.
Sorry.
You sure?
Yeah.
So you think you're okay? Another one. Okay, we'll skip B and we'll go straight to the story problem. Here we go. Do me a favor, please. Read it. See if it makes any sense to you. I got to draw a picture and rewrite the equation. Okay, have you read it? All right, your school jazz band is selling CDs as a fundraiser. So what are we selling?
CDs.
CDs, we're trying to make money. Okay, so this means nothing now. We're done. Don't read anymore. Okay? All right. The total profit, P stands for what? Profit. Depends on the amount X that your band charges for each CD. So what is X and what is P?
X is the amount of money. Is that your
Amount that the band charges.
Cost per what?
CD?
Per CD. What's this axis stand for? I wrote it for you. It's profit. Yeah, your Y value is now profit. Okay, so we're measuring how much do I sell my CD for and how much money can I make. All right. The equation right here, guys, models the profit of the fundraiser. What's the least amount in dollars you can charge for a CD to make a profit of? $100. Okay. Look at this. See that? What's the probability? Up or down?
Down.
Up?
Down.
Down. This is down. So what happens is if you start selling your CDs too cheap, you don't make that much money. But a little more expensive, you start making more money. But eventually you what?
Lose money.
Well, you top off. And then you come down to nothing again. So this is profit going up, profit going down. They want to know, when can you make what?
Max profit.
No, that's the thing. They didn't say that. They did not say the maximum. They just said $100. Where's the $100 on here?
Somewhere in the middle.
The profit.
The thing is, you don't know where it is. It could be the max.
It could be the
It
top
could be
one.
right in the middle. You don't know. So let's just pretend it's right here.
Yeah, Nick, you don't know.
When do you make $100? Right here. And by the way, this would be what you charge for the CD. This would be your answer. Okay? Or wait a minute. What if profit went up, down, 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 down? And again, sometime over here, you make $100. Well, what's this charge? This is what you charge. Okay, so there's two answers. Which one do they want?
First one.
Why? You're right, Nick, you're right. Look,
Both of them.
what's the least amount in dollars you can charge? They want the first one. They don't want the expensive one. They want this one. So when you do the quadratic formula, you'll get two answers. Throw which one out?
Higher one.
The higher one. Okay, here we go. You ready? How much money do you want to make? What's your profit?
100.
$100. It says it right here. Let's make 100. Okay, put 100 in. And go solve it. Using the quadratic formula. But wait a minute. It's not ready.
That needs to go.
100 needs to go over here with the negative 300, so subtract 100 to get your 0. Subtract 100. Negative x squared plus 48x, what?
Minus 400.
Okay, you're on your own now, go. You go get that answer, because you can do it. For those of you that don't have a pencil in your hand, it works better with a pencil. Okay, there's me putting the numbers in. And boy, oh boy, if you make a mistake putting those numbers in, you will get this wrong. I did it slow enough where I think I got it right, okay? All right, I think I got it right. First number I never worry about because most students never get that one wrong, or the bottom one. So where do they go wrong? Inside. They get the inside wrong. So what's 48 squared, somebody?
2,304.
2,304. What's a negative times a negative times a negative? 3 negatives when you multiply? Makes a negative.
Right.
Okay. What's 4 times 1 times 400? 1,600. 1,600. Take it away from 2,304. 704. That is where 90% of the students who get this wrong get it wrong right there. They don't get 704. They get something else. Are you okay? Okay. Do you guys remember what I said? There's going to be 2 answers. We're going to throw which one out?
That one.
That one. We just don't want the most expensive, right? Okay.
I think so.
I will put this on YouTube if you want to look it up tonight. Okay, so here come the answers. Ready? First answer is going to be negative 48 plus square root of 704 over negative 2. That's going to give you something. Second answer, negative 48 minus the square root of 704 over negative 2. That's going to give you another answer. Okay, I'm waiting. Do you think I can do that in my head? Oh, you're thinking I can do a lot then. I don't know what square root of 704 is. Don't make others do your work. Punch it in.
4 and 176 going to it.
Say again. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Elsa's trying to simplify. She's using her perfect squares. Hey, we just want an answer like $4.10.
Okay.
Just punch it in. Punch it in, guys. Just punch in negative 48 plus square root of 704 divided by negative 2. Brittany, you're sitting there all by yourself. What do you got? Michaela, what do you got?
For the negative, or minus 74, I got 28.30.
This one?
Yeah.
$28.30. That one is not quite right. $37 and what? 20 cents? 27. How come I remember 37.30?
Because they rounded the,
Maybe they rounded the nearest 10
Yeah, they
cents.
did.
Who knows? How did you get that? How did you get that?
I did negative 48 minus square root of 704 over
Then I should have been wrong. That's.
Well, I didn't do over, I put the equal sign and then I did.
Ah, there you go. Here's what she did. She said negative 48 minus the square root of 704. Then she hits equal, because that gets you what?
The top.
The top number. Then she hits divided by negative 2 to get $37 and say again.
I have 27.
3.
0.3? 36. Okay. Now, that's one answer. Now, wait a minute, guys. Do you have to do it that way? Or could you do it this way?
100 minus 37.3.
Could you just go like this, use your parentheses again, and just tell your calculator, get me the top answer, use your grouping symbols, then whatever that is, divide by negative 2. Would this work? Sure it would. This is the way I would have done it. Now, Selena, she just says that minus that equals whatever, divided by negative 2. What's that answer? Cedric, what is
I
it?
got 10.7.
$10.70. Okay, that's it. So you have two choices. You can sell your CDs at $10.70 or sell your CDs at $37.30. Either way you go, you make what? $100. Why do you think I wouldn't sell it at that price?
Not very many would be sold.
So who would buy it?
Rich people.
Rich people.
And who are they?
North Enders.
Not 1% of the world.
Guys, this is your jazz band. What people
Parents.
who?
Parents.
Maybe not even parents, maybe grandparents might buy it. So that's why you don't want to sell it at that price. You want to sell as many as you can. You want people to hear your jazz band. You would sell it at this price because students would buy it, parents would buy it, grandparents would buy it. Get it?
You'd buy it.
I'd buy it?
No, you wouldn't.
I don't think so.
You don't like jazz?
Jazz band?
Nothing wrong with both of us.
I don't know. I don't know if I'd buy it.
Jazz band.
$10 is $10.
$10 extra you'd have.
$10 you can spend on something else.
Who's in our jazz band? Are you selling CDs?
No, we are not.
Oh, you should.
You should also spend 10 too.
$10, $10, 70 cents. That's the cheapest we can sell it and still make $100.
Every time I ask.
Really? I will.
You know Tyrese plays the tuba?
I did the other one. I just wanted to make sure I did it correct.
Okay, hit the lights, Brock, hit the lights. Okay, 1 second. Brock, thank you.
For the top one, you just put parentheses over the top of it then?
Where am I at here?
Or for that one? For this one, you just punch it in parentheses around this?
Yep. And I think in your, but in your calculator, you're gonna see this, watch. So you're gonna see a parenthesis here,
Oh.
and then you gotta do another parenthesis here.
Oh.
So you gotta have parenthesis. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's kinda weird.
Why don't you
Okay.
finish it?
Alright, hang on here 1 second.